How to view your Android notification history. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. To access for your notification history, first step is to scroll down your notification center. You will see a setting gear option. Tap on the icon. Now from here, you need to scroll down until you find notifications and tap on the option provided for you. There you should find the option called Notification History. Tap on it. Here you will find all of the notification history that was in your phone. You can just expand it to see it. Make sure that you have toggled on Use Notification History. If it's disabled, you will have no history of notification at all. So make sure it is always enabled so that you can view your history of notifications. Now this is through the notification center. You can access the notification option through your phone settings as well. Then follow the same step of tapping on the notification, heading to notification history, and check out all of your notification history on your device. Isn't it simple? That wraps up this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.